I'm Ron Verhage from Seriously Smart Technologies, the United States representative for Mandalay Ltd. Today I'm in the Mandalay office and we're going to do an unboxing of the Orgon Canon device. So let's get started. First, we open the very strong, nice retail box, and we will go inside and take out all the pieces. The first thing we take out is the base. Next is the radiator, the stand, the information can, the splitter, and the hardware. Now let's put it together. We'll start with the base, and if you notice, the base has a serial number on the bottom side of it. So we're going to take the side that has the smooth edge, or the side opposite the serial number, and we're going to connect it to the bottom of the stand. So we'll just put it like this, and take the fastener, or the bolt or screw that was in the hardware bag, put that in the hole, and line it up, and use the Allen wrench to tighten it together. It just needs to be hand tight, not too tight. And then turn this back over. You'll notice this hole right here. That is where the copper, or the copper colored metal piece goes into the stand. You need to loosen the head, or the jagged head, as the manual calls it, all the way until this fits in all the way to the end. You can see there's just very little room in between. And then tighten it down in the position that you want it to be in. Now be careful that you do not move the radiator without loosening the head. You want to make sure you loosen it before you move it to a new position. That way you don't cause any damage to the head. Okay? You use the longer of the two cables to attach to the back of the radiator, and then you attach the other end to the bottom of the information can. Now you have the Orgon Canon ready to use. You can point it at whatever application you have, whether it be a client, a family member, a plant, an animal, anything that you're using it with. You point this sharp point, and you need to be careful because it is sharp, towards the direction that you're working. Now, when you're all done using the equipment, what you do is you turn it, you place the information can under the sharp point, release the jagged head, and move the point to where it touches the information can on top of the pin. And then you tighten it back up, and this will recharge the Orgon Canon. So you want to do this after you're done using it. Now that's the first way you use this device. Now the second way you can use this device is by attaching your splitter. You take the information can off. Your longer cable goes into the out port. Your shorter cable goes into the in port. And then you take that smaller cable and you plug it into the red port on the back of your biofeedback device. Now you actually have the information that is taking place from your biofeedback session going through the Orgon Canon and pointed towards your client or whatever application that you have in. And again, when you are done using the system, you would want to remove the cable from the back of the Orgon radiator and plug it back into the information can. Put your information can below the point. Make sure they are touching, tighten it up. And now you are recharging your Orgon Canon. Well, we hope this information was valuable to you. Thank you for joining us today.